Hello everyone, this is me Tish and you are watching SearchNet NC. First we would be seeing about torrents and a review about QBittorrent. If you still didn't subscribe, please subscribe, only then you would be getting my videos regularly. Come, let's go into the video. Now let us see how torrents work. Here, the files are downloaded by peer-to-peer network. When two or more computers are connected without any intermediaries, then it is called as peer-to-peer connection. Peer-to-peer connections reveals your IP, so use a VPN while downloading from torrents. Most of you would be using Utorrent and Bittorrents, but many antivirus has flagged them as adware. But there is an open source best alternative, that is QBittorrent. It is safe and it does not show any ads. Come, let us see about it. Now, go to QBittorrent.org. Now, click on Downloads tab. Now, choose your OS type. Now I am choosing Windows 64-bit. Now, install the downloaded file. The interface is plain and contains no ads. You could add magnet link by clicking on magnet icon at the top left corner, and you could even open torrent files easily using QBittorrent. Now I am going to download a game using torrent. I have copied the magnet link, see it's visible there. After scanning the metadata, it shows all the files. Now select the files which you want and click on OK. The speed of the download would be increasing gradually, but initially it may be slow. Now you need to know two terms, that is seeds and peers. First, let us see what is peers. Peers are the people who are downloading the file. Seeds are the people who are uploading the file. I think this video may be useful for you. Then please like this video, share this video and comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.